Audi RQS5, I think. Supercharged, beautiful purple. Look at that thing. That's a good looking Audi, man. Quattro. All right, let me show you guys what we've done to it. So it's got downpipes on each side. We didn't do any of that. 2 vibrant ultra quiets. We didn't do that. We fixed them, but we didn't do that. We started here. So we added an X pipe, True Flow X pipe. 2.5-inch pipe all the way back on each side into 2 Magnaflow mufflers there and there. Added some hangers on it and a solid mount in the back. And then it's got the quad tip set up, perfectly positioned right there. There it is, nice and clean. And that's out with the old, look at that's all the old stuff that was on it right here. There it is, H-pipe and all that middle section. Much cleaner, much nicer, much more beautiful. Juan, you did awesome, buddy. Good job. All right, bring it down. Wow, what a combination. That sounds so good. That sucker's loud. Your sound decibels? Go ahead. Right at 120, guys. 120, that's crazy. Again. Go ahead and back it out. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's our beautiful shop right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. Yeah! It's got a perfect look at his Instagram. It's definitely not a stock one. Bro, this thing screams. Wow. Look at that pop. I love it. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Just in case you guys wonder what this thing is under here, go ahead. This sounds good. I love my job because you never know where you can get in. Look, you can see the intercooler on the inside. What a beast. SQ5. I don't know why I keep saying QS. SQ5. Fat car. Nicely, very, very cleanly done. That is just a beautiful car. I love it. Perfect. Go ahead. Such a beast, bro. What a beautiful car, man. Thanks for bringing it in. Enjoy it, bro. Get on it, okay? Here we go, supercharged Audi SQ5, 2.5-inch system all the way back, vibrant. You gotta admit that's a freaking beast mode. Enjoy, guys.